Monagram Garbage Truck Review. It's mod, it's mad, it's the most. A1 24th scale kit. Woo! Alright, let's take a look at this sucker. I saw this at a model contest this past summer and thought, man, that's pretty cool. Of course, my uncle always assumed I was going to be a garbage man for some reason. So what a fitting truck to build. That, and I just thought it was a cool garbage truck with surfboards. We get the chrome. It comes in a couple garbage cans. This is actually really nice chrome. Too bad the wrecker wasn't like that. Got some nice tires. They're solid one piece. Little slicks. So far so good. I don't see a bunch of flash on the chrome. Doing this one-handed, I don't know why. I have a stand now. Let's see, we got the comes with some peoples. I don't know that I'll use them, but man, this actually looks really nice. Not seeing a lot of flash. Oh, it's one of these. The engine's molded into it. That's alright. It'll still be fun to build. Really clean kit. Got some kind of nitrous bottles or oxygen bottles or something. All these parts are really nice. I'm not seeing a lot of flash or anything on these. Molded in chassis. It's alright. This will be fun to build. This will be one of those fun, easy, have a good time, paint it how you want it. But the detail is actually pretty good on the garbage truck sides. The levers and the hydraulics, they're not too bad at all. And the rest of the parts. There's not a lot of parts in this kit. I don't know that it says. Let's see what the box says. It doesn't. It pretty much lists everything that's on it right there, but the end way to haul out. Woohoo! No, doesn't tell how much is on it. And this is from 1968. This is the copyright on the instructions. But that's not what year this is from. This isn't that old. Oh, and the decals even look good. Chomp, chomp, burp. Oh, nice. This is going to be fun. Got some nice art in there. Typical monogram instructions. This part goes here, this part goes there. Nothing spectacular. So it looks like it'll be a nice, fun little build. Something to do, something easy to play with. Looks nice. Everything looks clean. Everything's there. Ought to be a nice little build. I know Riddler was wanting to see what it looked like, and Topper said he'd never seen the inside of one, so there it is. There's not a lot of parts, not a lot of pieces, not a lot to do. That's nice. That's it for this garbage truck unboxing review. Let's take a look inside the box. Later, Gators. Oh, sorry, Ken.